It's a bit high, but it's fine. I'm moving it anyway. Hello, you beautiful people out there. My name is Majestic Muffin, and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. Not a special effects video, cosplay video, actually. I am finally doing my nun Alastor outfit. That's why she is back here, and I have the habit. It has been sitting like on a chair for the past couple months. When did I do the Valak look? It was after that. And I've just been putting it off. Really badly putting it off. I don't know why. I don't think it's gonna take super long, but it's the fact that I have to sew. I have to sew like this thread onto it at the most, just the red thread. But if I want to go over the top, I still have this thread that I can use too. Which I think would be cool to add in somewhere, because canonically, I'll put up a picture as well. This has the upside down cross on it, and then on the side here, it has just red X's. So maybe I'll do red, green, and then I want to like probably put a slit in this, like just break the seam here. And then maybe put some thread through there too. I don't know, because he doesn't have anything on the dress itself, so I'll fuck with it. And then this is also going to be its own video. The main Alastor video will be coming out very soon. It honestly might come out before this, we'll see. But I want to make sure I put out the rest of the special effects videos. The last 31 days, I'm planning another special effects that I'd like to do, because I watched Wolfman, so, and then, yeah, but I'm going to be gone next week. Again, by the time you see this, I don't know when that is, but, like, through the 10th and the 15th of March, I'm just gonna be not at my house, so I'm just trying to, like, prep a whole bunch of shit, and then edit a bunch of shit that week. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. It's not great, but also I don't care because it's mine and I did it. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you could actually see any of that actually. But it is sewn. Whether it's good or not will be determined when I wear it. So yeah, that's it. I'll probably record myself putting it on too. But yeah, slay. And I am in costume. The first part of the costume, I'm about to do my makeup. Normally I would put this on after I did my makeup, but his wig's gonna be on, and I'd rather just do my makeup, do the wig, put everything else on. And also, I'm taller because I have heels on, and I have fishnets on. I don't know if you can see them right now, but I have, this, right? The sewed stuff, and my ass and dick are out. So, I realize I've never filmed myself doing his makeup. I think I might have, no, I didn't even film myself doing my beauty makeup at all. Just the makeup for him. It's super easy. It's just random shit. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, this is the base. Kind of flares out so you don't really get that, but oh right. These, I don't really have room for earrings, really. Slay. Now I'm gonna put in my contacts and figure out how I want that to go.